Hello everyone, welcome to another free Midjourney alternative with unlimited AI art generation. Today we'll show you just that. So the first on this list is called Night Cafe or Night Cafe. This is basically AI text to image art generator with unlimited AI generation. So as you can see here, we can choose a style, right? It's similar to Midjourney, right? As you can see, we can choose a style. Let's say we want epic style. We have more options as well here, right? We can go to the styles and we can add a style. For example, we want anime style, and here we can type something, right? For example, a dog riding a bicycle, something like that. Let me just make this like here. And then, as you can see, you obviously have the credits, but what's best about this is that you can actually create a new profile each time, and you will get 5 new credits each time. So as you can see, go here, create, and as you can see, it's currently creating a dog riding a bicycle, right? The creation is still rendering, and as you can see, this is pretty much the anime style, as you can see right here. So sometimes it's not the most accurate, but as you can see, you can also go here and you can even publish, edit, buy a print as well, which is awesome, right? And you can also publish this separately or download it right here. If we download it, we have it right here, as you can see. Now, the second AI tool with free generation is Crayon, right? So you can actually generate here a lot of the AI generation, so you can actually generate here a lot of the photos every single day. So what you can do here, again, a dog riding a bicycle, and then we hit a drawing, and then we'll need to wait just for about a minute until this drawing actually executes. As you can see, after the generation is done, this is basically how this will look like, right? So you can do many generations, AI generations every single day with these two tools. So you have Night Cafe and then you have Crayon as well. That's pretty much it for this video. These are free Midjourney alternatives with unlimited AI art generation. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.